Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Mr. Daniels.
Okay. You all may be seated. Mr. Daniels.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court.
The courtroom falls silent as the judge calls the session to order. Mr. Daniels steps forward, ready to present his case, a voluntary move to place himself on child support, a decision that immediately catches everyone's attention. His presence alone is unexpected, given that it's not often a father willingly steps into this role. The tension in the room is thick as the judge acknowledges him, preparing to hear his side of the story. Complexity, making this a case to watch closely. It'll be fascinating to see how the judge handles this unusual situation and what decision will be made.
Filed child support on myself to make sure that my child is getting the benefits that it needs because the mother doesn't seem to be taking care of the responsibilities.
I mean, obviously not. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court today. And I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay. It's very different when people come in and, well, guys in particular come in to put themselves on child support. Like, what's the backstory between you and mom? Have y'all ever been married?
I tried to get married. I tried to do everything right.
Okay.
She chose to be out in the streets. So I'm just trying to.
What do you mean by chose to be out in the streets?
Chose to being somewhere other than the house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
She party a lot, do all those things?
Well, I don't know where she's at, so I don't know what she does.
Do you communicate with her at all?
When it comes to money.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why.
You have a son or a daughter?
I have a son.
Do you get to see your son?
On the weekends, but it's rare. We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing it.
Explains that he's in court to ensure his child receives financial support, as he believes the mother isn't fulfilling her responsibilities. He points out her absence in court, highlighting her lack of commitment. When the judge inquires about their relationship, Daniel shares they were never married and that he tried his best, but the mother chose a different path. Frustrated yet determined, he's fighting for his son's future. His decision to voluntarily file for child support shows his commitment despite the conflict.
Right? It's based on a calculation based on the amount of money that you make.
I'm third string, so I don't make that much.
What does that mean, your third string?
I'm not making a lot of money right now in the arena football league that I play in. So I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because I have to take care of myself as well.
Okay. So it's based on the calculation. So whatever amount of money that you make, that's what your child support is going to be set at. No matter if you were third string, first string, second string, I don't know how many strings it go up to. It's based on your calculation. Okay. So how much money do you make a year?
Around 67.
Okay. And you only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So 67,000. Well, let me ask you this. Who pays health insurance?
I pay it.
Okay. How much is your health insurance?
Around 120.
120. Okay. And let me see. You turned in some documents here. Looks like your health insurance is actually 130. Okay. 130. You're shorting yourself $10 because the health insurance amount, I mean, she's not here obviously to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance.
Okay.
Judge shifts focus to the financial details, asking about Mr. Daniels' income and health, insurance for the child. Daniels admits he's not making much as a third-string player in the Arena Football League. The judge explains that child support is calculated based on income, regardless of his job status, and mentions that providing health insurance slightly reduces his obligation. The financial breakdown is clear, reinforcing that child support is about the child's needs, not personal circumstances. The judge's no-nonsense approach ensures fairness and transparency in the process.
$470. Your net of that after taxes come out is $4,357.28 for a child support amount of $871.46. Okay?
Okay.
You have any other questions about that?
Are you single?
Well, no.
Okay.
But I don't think that has anything to do with why you're here.
Oh, well, I don't have a good baby mother. I was.
So you want to make me a baby mama? That's what you're telling me?
No, I wasn't trying to make you a baby mother. I was just seeing if you were available to help.
Well, I'm available for my next case. So if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Judge rules that Mr. Daniels' child support obligation will be $871.46 per month, based on his income and health insurance contributions. She makes it clear that this amount is non-negotiable and tied directly to his earnings. While Daniels accepts the decision, his concern about balancing his own needs with his child's is evident. The judge ends the case with a light-hearted comment about finding him a good baby mother, but the serious message about responsibility in co-parenting is clear. Daniels leaves knowing he's done the right thing for his child.
So the interesting thing about his case, he placed himself on child support. He actually petitioned to the court to put him on child support. That's very unique because you don't see that very often, but you are able to do that on your own. If you want to put yourself on child support, you are more than welcome to do so. Actually, I would recommend that you do it because then you don't have to worry about getting hit with back pay later on because you never paid child support for your child from the beginning. So, teachable moment for you guys. If you can do it.
From a legal perspective, this case is unique because Mr. Daniels voluntarily placed himself on child support, which, while rare, is commendable. The lawyer explains that this approach helps prevent issues like back pay and ensures the child's needs are met from the start. It's a powerful reminder that child support is about taking responsibility for your child's well-being. The video ends with a call to action to share stories and subscribe for more insights, highlighting how the court prioritizes the child's best interests, even in the absence of one parent. The segment reinforces the importance of proactive parenting and understanding the legal system to protect your child's future.